Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 70, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to obviously open up your settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down to System and Update. Swipe down again, and somewhere here we go, we will find Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. I urge you to go over this and just see if there's anything from the list that you'd like to keep, maybe things like photos, files. Anyway, from there we can select Reset Phone, assuming you didn't want to create a backup copy. If you do, obviously do that. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, on the next page you will need to confirm it. I have a pen. Now, next thing, we do have the option to back up our device. Though I do want to explain this just briefly. So this is technically Android, but the backup that you will create right here is not going to be recoverable or on any other device that is not a Huawei device, similar to what iPhone has with their devices, obviously, or Samsung with theirs. So this will, if you create a backup through this option strictly right here, limits you to restoring this backup to only other Huawei devices, and this is onto the cloud. So be very mindful of that. Now, obviously, you can plug in your device to your computer and then manually copy the data that you want to preserve and then restore it to a new device. At that point, it doesn't really matter which device you will be using. It could be Samsung, Huawei, Apple, or any other brand, and it doesn't really matter. If it's data that you're locally storing on your computer, then you can locally, again, plug in other device and restore that data back up. So anyway, I'm going to just select Reset Phone without backing it up, and as you can see, this jumps straight to actually resetting the device, and this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up. Now once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once it is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.